Uptown Swing, solo jazz. I'm Maddie. This is the end of Tranky Do. We learned just the very last ending of it, which I will show. We had push it back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 2, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 3, 5, 7. If it's halfway through, we then restart with 8 and go all the way through again. If it's the very last time through, when we're doing our strolls forward, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Take a bow, you earned it. That was it. If you need the whole thing, we have it filmed. It's somewhere in the annals of Uptown Swing's library.